Hello and what's up guys, Nellis here from NiuxTech, and after my first video review about Xiaomi Mi Watch, I have received a lot of messages from people who struggle to pair Mi Watch with their phones. I personally spent over 1 hour to figure out everything when I received my watch, so I hope the step-by-step tutorial will help many of you. In my case, I will be using OnePlus 7 Pro running the latest Android 10, but it also should work with other Android phones. So the first very important thing you have to do is actually download and install two mobile apps. The first app is called Xiaomi Wearable and the second one is Chinese version of Wear OS. In case you have previously downloaded Wear OS from your Google Play Store, you can delete it because that one simply will not work. Why? Because Chinese version of Mi Watch requires specifically Chinese version of Wear OS app. You can easily download those two apps from my Facebook group, which I have created for Mi Watch fans, and you will find a link to that group in the description area below this video. After you have downloaded and installed those two apps, make sure your Bluetooth and locations are set on. The next step is to open Xiaomi Wearable app and create or log in to your Xiaomi account. After you log in, check for any possible app updates and update if needed. Now you can turn on your Mi Watch, and in case you haven't successfully tried to pair it before, I would strongly suggest to reset the watch. To reset the watch, hold the lower button for a few seconds, then find the settings icon and choose the reset icon just like in this video. If it's your first time you turn on the watch, you don't need to do the factory reset, and instead just wait for watch to power on, and after a few minutes you will need to press 3 times on Mi Watch screen. At this point, you should see the illustration meaning watch is in the pairing mode. Go back to your phone and in Xiaomi Wearable app press on Add Device, select your watch, and if you've done everything right, you should see the new screen with a black button saying Connect your device in Wear OS by Google. Press on that button and you will be redirected to your Chinese version of Wear OS app. Afterwards, just follow pairing process. Press on Start Setup, agree on terms and press OK when the notification table appears on a screen. In just a few seconds you should be able to see successful connection screen, and then leave your phone and watch to get some details. Now select on features you want to activate and give needed access from your phone, and as you do that, it will take up to 5 more minutes to finish everything up. At the end, you'll be asked to open Xiaomi Wearable app again, and as you do so, press on black button that says Finish. Congratulations! Now you're ready to explore the watch. If this video was helpful for you, please show some love by hitting thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel and press on notification bell icon, as it will inform you about my latest tech reviews. In case you're still having any problems, try to reset your Mi Watch again and go through all my tutorial steps. If that doesn't help, write me in the comment section and I'll be happy to serve you. Thanks for watching guys, this is Nellis from NiuxTech and I'll see you next time.